Okay, next the same addition we are going to perform using the Sooth method in the 3-digit as well as the 4-digit. Okay, once I taught the 3-digit how to use a 3-digit in the Sooth method and 4-digit, then it will be a 5 to 6-digit, no problem, you can easily solve it. Okay, so first we are going to perform the 3-digit, next we will move on to the 4-digit problem. Okay, so listen it here carefully. What is the very basic rules in the Sooth method? We want to perform the addition from the bottom to top, isn't it? Bottom from the bottom to top. Don't forget it. So listen here, 4 and 6. 4 and 6 is 10. So I am going to drop the 10 here. So there is a no number to take at a carry. So only 7. So 7 and 8. So 7 sevens are 14, so 1 will be there. Then 15, isn't it? So 15, so then I am going to leave the 10 here, only the 5 going to carry here. Okay, how many 10s I have got it? 1, 2 10s I have got it, so I have written 2 here. Okay, so next 2 and 5 is 7. So 7 plus 8 is 15, isn't it? 15. So I am just leaving the 10 here. So in a 15, I have just dropped the 10 here. I am going to carry 5 along to the next number. So 5 plus 6, 3 is 8. So that is a no 10. So 8 plus 6 is, so 8 plus 6 is 8 plus 6, 12, 13, 14. So I have 10 here. So I have just written only the 4 here, isn't it? So how many 10 I have got it? 2 10 I have got it. So I have written a 2 here. Listen, 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So drop the 10 here. Then I have take the 1 to the next number. 1 and 9 is 10. So 10 I have just carry here. The only the 4 will be the balance. I have written the 4 here. How many 10s I have got it? 2 10s I have got it. So I have written a 2. Okay. So next we are going to perform the 4-digit addition. So what is the very basic rule in a Sooth method? Yes, from the bottom to top. So what is the reason why I am telling again and again? If you did it from top to bottom, then it will be give your wrong answer. Okay, so that is the reason why I am again I am repeating the same thing, bottom to top, bottom to top. Okay, so listen, here 3 and here is a 2. 3 and 2 is 5. There is a no 10. Here 5 and here 5. This 3 plus 2 is 5. So 5 plus 5 is a 10. Yes, here 10 is there. I am just leaving the 10. So no other number to take a carry. So only the 6 will be there. So I am just writing these 6. So how many 10s here? Only 1 10. So I am writing one number here. So 9 and 1 is 10. So I am just leaving a 10. So 8 and 4. 9, 10, 11, 12. So I am leaving a 10 here. I am just taking a 2 to the next number. 2 and 2 is 4. So how many 10s I have got it? 2 10s I have got it. So I am writing the 2 to the next number. 2 and 1 is 3. 3 and 6 is 9. Okay, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9. 9 and 2 is 11. So I am just dropping a 10 here, taking a 1 along to the next number. 1 and 1 is 2. So how many 10s I have got it? Only 1 10. So I am returning a 1 here. Okay, so 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. I am just dropping the 10 here. So there is a no number to take it. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So how many 10s here? Only 1 10 here. So I am just writing 1 here. Okay, so let's move to the 4-digit number. What is the very basic rule to perform, to apply a Sooth method in addition? Yes, what is the basic rule? We want to perform the addition from the bottom to top. Okay, so what is the number here? Leftmost number 2 and 4. So 6. So there is a no 10. 6 and 3, 7, 8, 9, no 10. 9 and 5. 9 and 5 having a is 10. So 5 and 5, 10, 14. Isn't it? So 10 I am just leaving 4. I am just taking the 4 to the 1. 4 and 1 is 5. How many 10s are here? 1 10. So I am just taking the 1 to this number. Okay. So 1 and 3 is 4. 4 and 3 is 5, 6, 7. 7 plus 0. 7. Of course 7. 7 and 8. Okay. 7 and 8. 15. So I am just leaving the 10 here. So I am just taking the 5. So 5 plus 6 is 11. So here 10. So I'm just leaving the 10, only writing the 1 here. How many 10s I have written? Only the 2 10s I have written. So 4 and 2 is 6. 6 and 2 is 8. 8 and 2 is 10. So only 10 here, so I am just leaving the 10 here. 6 and 4 is a 10, again 10. So there is no other number, isn't it? So I am putting a 0 here. No number here, so I am just putting a 0 here. So how many 10s I have got it? 1 and 2 10s I have got it. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 and 6, yes, 8 having a 6. 6 plus 6 is 12, then 2 remaining 14. So I am just writing a 10 here. So 4 and 4, 8. 8 and 2 is a 10. 0 here. So how many 2s I have got it? 10 got it, I have got a 2 0 here. So this is the method to perform the addition using the Sooth method. Okay. Okay. So we have finished single digit addition, 2-digit addition, 3-digit addition, 4-digit addition using the Sooth method. Okay. So before I want to going to end, I want to remember the rules behind the Sooth method and rules to apply to perform the addition using the Sooth method. What is the first rule? Rule 1. You want to perform the addition. Once you want to follow the Sooth method in addition, what is the first rule? You want to add from the bottom to top. Okay. What is the second rule? In the second rule, you want to perform, if there is a 10 here, you want to drop the 10. What is the third rule? You want to carry the number. Carry the number to the next number. Okay, for example, listen. For example, if 8 and 3 is 11. So I have just dropped the 10 here. What is the carry number I have got it? 1. So you should add the 1 to the next number. That is what I am saying here. Carry the number to the next number. What is the rule? Rule or step 3? Step 4. So you want to add the how many 10s? How many 10s? You want to carry the number of 10s to the next digit. Carry the number of 10s to the next column. Okay. You want to carry the number of 10s to the next column. That I have told it. For example, 87, 24, 32. If I got it a 110 here, then 1 should be carried to here. Okay. So, what is the first step in the Sooth to perform the addition using the Sooth method? You want to perform it from the bottom to top. Step 2. You want to drop the 10. Step 3. Carry the number to the next above number. And step 4. Carry the number of 10s to the next row. You want to carry the next column or next digit. Okay. So this is the step to followed using the to perform the addition using the Sooth method. Okay. So in before I have started teaching about that is before I am going to teach about the Sooth method. I have told. So you may come across with the UG and PG, you may be working, you may be finished schooling. So you may have a big question, why I want to learn the very basic addition. So I have graduated, post-graduated, so what is the reason? So now you can come up with the answer, isn't it? So now I am telling for the answer that you are going for a mall. Have shopped nearly for shirts for 3,425 and gadgets for 1,875 and skirts for example for 297. So any number you can do any shopping. You now without using any calculator you can perform the additions. Okay, so without using any technical support you can using the Sooth method you can perform the addition. So in before starting the video itself I have told without max there is a no earth. So our environment, we are surroundings, we are with the help of, we are living with the help of the mathematics. The earth is surrounding with the, it's have anything, it's a meaning it's mean only the mathematics. So without mathematics there is a no life. Okay, so if you are learnt without support of without any technical support, you can perform the addition hereafter using the Sood method. Now you can got the answer why you want to study the Vedic mathematics.